What would happen if you did just one exercise every single day, and it completely changed your legs, your core, and even your mindset? No jumping, no weights, no gym membership, just your back against a wall and the willpower to stay there. Wall sits look simple, almost too simple. But if you've ever tried holding one for more than 30 seconds, you know that shake in your legs is no joke. Today, we're breaking down exactly what happens to your body when you do wall sits every day, and why this basic move might be more powerful than you think. If we haven't met yet, I'm a certified fitness coach, and I specialize in helping people build real strength in simple, sustainable ways. No fancy machines, no complicated routines, just smart training that works. Wall sits are a classic isometric exercise. That means your muscles are working hard without actually moving. You're holding tension instead of lifting or lowering weight. And when done correctly, this one move can strengthen your lower body, build endurance, engage your core, and even improve your mental toughness. In this video, I'll explain what changes you can expect if you commit to wall sits daily. I'll also show you proper form, beginner modifications, and ways to safely make them more challenging. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use wall sits to get stronger without beating up your joints. Let's start with what most people notice first. 1. Your lower body gets stronger. The first thing that happens when you do wall sits every day is serious lower body activation. When you slide your back down a wall and hold that seated position, your quadriceps are doing most of the work. But your glutes, hamstrings, and even your calves are helping stabilize you. It's like your legs are holding up an invisible chair. Over time, that constant tension builds strength. You'll start noticing stairs feel easier, getting up from the couch feels smoother, even walking longer distances feels less tiring. And here's the key. Because wall sits are low impact, they're easier on your knees than jumping exercises or heavy squats. That makes them a great option for building leg strength safely, especially if you're easing back into fitness. 2. Your muscle endurance improves. Wall sits aren't about quick bursts of power. They're about staying in the fight. The longer you hold that position, the more you challenge your muscle endurance. Your legs start to shake, your breathing changes, and your mind starts negotiating with you. When you practice this daily, your body adapts. What felt impossible at 20 seconds starts to feel manageable, then 30 seconds, then 45. Before you know it, you're holding a minute or more. This improved endurance doesn't just stay on the wall, it carries over into daily life. Standing in line, walking through the grocery store, playing with your kids, you don't fatigue as quickly. 3. Your core quietly gets stronger. Most people think wall sits are only for the legs, but if you're doing them correctly, your core is working too. When your back is flat against the wall, your abs and lower back muscles have to stay engaged to keep your torso stable. If your core relaxes, your posture collapses. That steady engagement strengthens your deep core muscles, and those muscles are crucial for posture and lower back support. Better core strength means less slouching, less strain when lifting groceries, and a more stable spine overall. It's subtle but powerful. 4. You burn more calories than you think. Now let's be clear, wall sits are not a magic fat burning move, but they do contribute to your total daily calorie burn. When your large leg muscles are under tension, they require energy. The longer you hold, the more your body has to work. Pair wall sits with a balanced diet that includes enough protein, vegetables, healthy fats like olive oil or avocado, and proper hydration, and they can support weight management. You can also add them into a simple circuit. For example, alternate 30 seconds of wall sits with 10 bodyweight squats or 15 marching steps in place. That turns a static hold into a mini conditioning session. But the real magic of wall sits isn't just physical.
5. Your mental toughness grows. This is where things get interesting. Holding a wall sit is uncomfortable. Not painful in a sharp way, just intense. Your legs burn. Your brain starts saying, okay, that's enough. When you choose to stay for 5 more seconds, you build something powerful: discipline. Doing wall sits every day trains your ability to stay calm under stress, to breathe through discomfort, to focus instead of panic. That mental strength carries into other areas of life: tough conversations, long work days, challenging workouts. You've practiced holding steady when things get uncomfortable. And that's not something you can measure with a scale. 6. You build consistency. One of the biggest benefits of wall sits is convenience. All you need is a wall. You can do them in your living room, at the office, even in a hotel room. There are no excuses about equipment or weather. Because they're so accessible, it's easier to stay consistent, and consistency is what transforms your body. Doing something small every single day often beats doing something extreme once a week. Wall sits are simple enough to stick with, and that's what makes them powerful. How to do a perfect wall sit. Let's quickly go over form. Stand with your back against a wall. Walk your feet out about 2 feet in front of you. Slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor, like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Your knees should be stacked over your ankles, not pushed forward over your toes. Press your lower back gently into the wall. Keep your chest lifted. Breathe steadily through your nose and out your mouth. Start with 20 to 30 seconds if you're new. Gradually work your way up to 60 seconds or more. If it feels too easy, hold a light dumbbell at your chest or lift one heel slightly off the floor for a few seconds at a time. If it feels too hard, don't go as low. A higher position is still effective. Potential risks and smart adjustments. Wall sits are generally safe, but form matters. If your knees feel sharp pain, check your foot placement. Make sure your knees aren't collapsing inward. Keep them aligned with your toes. If your lower back feels strained, tighten your core and avoid arching away from the wall. And remember, daily doesn't mean extreme. You don't need 5-minute holds to see results. 30 to 60 seconds done consistently is enough to build strength safely. If you have existing knee or back issues, talk to a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise routine. Smart training always comes first. Here's the big truth about doing wall sits every day. It's not just about stronger legs, it's about building a foundation. Stronger legs mean more power in your movements. Better endurance means less fatigue. Improved core strength supports your spine. Mental toughness strengthens your discipline. And when you combine all of that, you feel more capable in your own body. Wall sits prove that you don't need complicated routines to create change. You need tension, consistency, and the willingness to stay when it gets uncomfortable. That shaking in your legs? That's growth happening. So what happens if you do wall sits every day? Your legs get stronger, your endurance improves, your core becomes more stable, you burn more energy, your mind gets tougher, and your consistency builds momentum, all from one simple move against a wall. Remember, progress comes from small, daily actions, not extreme workouts, not chasing soreness, just showing up. Start with 30 seconds today. Add 5 seconds next week. Focus on form, steady breathing, and patience. Your future self will thank you for it. If you found this helpful, hit the like button so more people can learn how powerful simple exercises can be. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications for more practical fitness tips that actually fit into real life. And I want to hear from you. How long can you currently hold a wall sit? Drop your time in the comments below, and let's see how we can improve it together. If you're ready for the next step, check out my video on bodyweight exercises that pair perfectly with wall sits to build a complete at-home routine. Stay strong, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.